Today we're going to discover something very interesting, as I mentioned last time. You know what it is? Yes, no, it is file processing. Yeah, I think they call it file processing. I don't know if it's right or wrong. Leave it in a comment below to tell me if I'm right or if I'm correct or not. Okay, let's start. File. You may think it's impossible. You need something like a module. No, you don't need a module for handling text files, just for text files. But you don't need other files, right? Okay. There's a command called open. Here, open. We'll use it later. Okay, it's a variable. Something like a Python. You have to add txt, otherwise I think it will cause an error. You have to specify what you're doing with the file, because the Python txt is not existing in my computer. So we're going to write text f.write. Just type in anything you want. Okay, like x equals the input. Enter something. Okay, I will have to remind you that it's only string and only one line can be entered. If you type in enter, that means the input is being entered into the file, and you can't change it unless you do something like delete it in the opening file and delete it and close. That's it. Let's try. Enter something. Hello world. Python. See here? We've constructed a file, and you would like to see this. Okay, let's try one more time. Python is fun. Python.txt. See here, with you would like to ask, where's the last line? I mean the line that you have entered before, this hello world. I would need to tell you, if you're using WT, that means writing text, it would it would change the text to what you're entering into it. Okay, if you want to keep the last line, but you want to keep the last lines, but you want to enter something into the computer, okay, I would recommend you using AT, appending text. But it doesn't know how to go to another line by itself, so we would have to do this. Space equals to, actually it's not called space, but never mind. .write space. Okay, this means skipping to another line. Okay, let's try it again. Oh wait, enter something. Always forgot to do this, and that looks disgusting. I love Python. Some random text. Oh, sorry, an error here. Let's try it again. I love Python. Python.txt. See here we have after adding the \n, we skipped a line, and yes, that's it. But if you want to, I want to delete I want to gain access to the file and then print something out. Read text, otherwise you can't read anything. Okay, to read text, let's try this. Read x equals to, you can do it in two ways: print f.read, or assign it as a variable and print it out. There's two ways. Just as you like, you can choose one of them. See, the content inside the content inside the file is like this. Okay. What if you I want to delete one of the lines, the last line. Read line, maybe x equals to read line, and then we would have to import a module. The first time we import a module, os dot, is it like this? I think it's something like this because I've not used it for a long time. I think I forgot it. And f equals to open, because it's a new file and we'll gotta write text. F dot write x, f dot close. Okay, I think an error will occur. Yes. Delete. I forgot. Is it delete or something? Remove? Oh yeah, remove, not delete. Sorry. Haven't used this for a long time. Okay, let's try python.txt. See? The last line is being removed. Python is fun. Oh, yes. The second line is being removed. How about I want the... Okay. If you assign the second f.read line here, it would actually read the second line, and if you write y, let me add something into it first. Python.txt. C++ is also fun. Let's save it. If you only want the C++ is also fun, you are going to need this code, and let's try. Let's check the content. See, the first line that Python is fun is being removed, and only the second line is here because I destroyed it and created it again. Okay, that's all, and that's all for the text file. And if you want to know more about the files, like pickle, the pickle module, or the the PowerPoint, the Excel files, I mean CLSX, like, yeah, just tell me and leave a comment in the description below. I will do research about it and make a video about it. Okay, so see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.